Hey guys, Jeff here, just going to give you a lowdown on this double dog crate. And this is actually a pretty extensive piece of furniture. Right off the bat, I'll tell you that the installation and assembly part of this is no joke. 7 on a scale of 10 probably. So don't get this thinking you can have it up. You may want to buy it as a puppy so that they're ready by the time you have it done. But anyway, we're going to kind of go through it real quick, just go through some of the features. First of all, let's get the size out of the way. People always want to know size. Look, this is just 1 inch shy of a 6 foot piece of furniture here. And width-wise, our depth, if you want to look at it that way, 22 inches, so kind of standard countertop height. So this tabletop is actually super solid. This could actually act as a entertainment armoire, if you will. You could put your TV just directly on top of this. It does have 3 large size drawers, one in the middle. So if you were going to use this for other than just dogs, you could put your remotes, wires, other devices, chargers, and things like that in there. And then it is a double crate. I've got the star of the show today. This is Lucky, my German short hair pointer, and she's kind enough to show us how this is size-wise. She actually loves crating and kenneling, so for her it's really comfy to be in here. But you can see that for her it fits in perfect. Kennel up, sweetie. Kennel up. So she likes being in there. You can see size-wise that she would be considered a medium to large dog. Finley's kind of the bigger dog here, but it would obviously work for Finley as well. Plenty of space in here. Obviously, you have a little less depth by the time you get the doors in there, but it's still about 20 inches, and then it does inside here, you're looking at the same, kind of divided in half, almost 35 inches. And then clearance-wise, to get your dog in, it's 26 inches tall. So plenty of room for them to get in and out. It has both the ability on these French door style. You can actually open both if you need to get in and clean or put in a new bed, however you want to do that. But it does allow you to lock it as well to keep that solid. I would foresee that would be how you'd use it most of the time, is locking one over the other. But other than that, I mean, it is a solid piece, everything about it. All the construction, again, a little difficult in the terms of putting it all together time-wise, but once it's there, it is actually a really nice piece. And you can see in this one, it's a two-tone, kind of that natural oak look versus just a rustic kind of dark brown. And then, my favorite part of it is just the the rubbed bronze kind of look on the wrought iron kind of thing. That to me is kind of it. But all in all, a solid piece. So if you're in the market and you're looking to more or less up your dog kennel game, why not have it be an actual piece of furniture rather than just an ugly old wire crate? And so anyway, if you are going to pick one of these up, I think they're shipping only, so check them that way, and then, because they're not going to come assembled, you will have to do that. But anyway, great brand, great product. Just check it out, and we'll catch you next time on The Lowdown.